Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I use Microsoft Office shapes to create art. As well, I give you tips for Microsoft Word. In today's video, I'm going to create a word picture. I'm going to do it in PowerPoint. You can copy the shapes after and move them into Word or into Excel. So to begin, we click. Then we're going to delete. I'm just highlighting and then hitting the delete key. Now we go into Insert, Shapes, select Rectangle. Once that's done, Shape Fill, Black. Go back into Insert, Shapes, Text Box. I'm going to make a gray temporarily. The word is going to be mountains. Then I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to choose a different font. Franklin Gothic Heavy. I'm going to make it bold and give it a 180 size font. I'm going to highlight the word now. Go into the text format. Choose black. That's going to be the text fill. Now for the text outline, I'm going to choose white. And that's going to be a weight of 3. So now you highlight the text, hit Shift and highlight the rectangle background. Go into Merge Shapes. I'm going to select Combine. Now I'm going to select Insert Pictures. Send to back. I'm going to drag the picture and make it more narrow, like so. And that way we get our mountain scene. Select the zoom, make it larger here. Shape format, group, you can group them. You can move them around as one. I'm just going to move it back, and you can make iron-ons, import it into Word, just copy paste it into Word or anywhere else. Thanks for watching.